Everybody is looking for the secret to manifesting their dreams. This is why you need to know how to manifest anything you want. It's simpler than you think. Manifesting isn't magic. It's mindset. Step 1. Be clear about what you want. Think of it like ordering a pizza. You wouldn't just say food, right? Step 2. Visualize it. Close your eyes and imagine your dream as if it's already here. Feel the excitement. Picture it vividly, like a movie in your mind. Step 3. Speak it into existence. Say positive affirmations like I am capable or I am successful. Talk to yourself like you're your own best friend. Step 4. Take action. Even small steps count. Want to be a writer? Start with 1 page a day. Baby steps, folks. Step 5. Trust the process. Sometimes the universe has a funny way of working things out. Keep the faith and stay positive. With these steps, you can manifest anything you want. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Now go out and make some magic happen.